Today's CCNP term of the day is a VXLAN, a virtual extensible LAN. Now let's compare that to a VLAN. With a VLAN, if you take a look at a trunk header, we have 12 bits that give us the VLAN identifier, and with 12 bits, that gives us a possibility of a little over 4,000 VLANs. Would we ever need more than 4,000 VLANs? Maybe. Maybe in a data center, we might need many more VLANs. Well, coming to the rescue is a VXLAN. It has a network identifier called a VNI, a VXLAN network identifier, and it uses 24 bits. That's going to give us a possibility of over 16 million VXLANs. We're not going to run out of those, I don't think. And another cool thing about a VXLAN is that you can have members of the same subnet, the same VXLAN, and they can be separated by a layer 3 boundary, like a router or a multi-layer switch. And the way this works is we've got the physical underlay network, the way things are physically interconnected, and we might have a need for one switch to appear to be adjacent with another switch, but it's really separated by maybe one or more multi-layer switches. Well, what we can do is form a tunnel in between those switches, and then they logically appear to be adjacent in this overlay network. Consider this really common data center topology. We've got a series of servers connected to leaf switches, and they connect back to the spine switches. And let's say, for example, that server 1 wants to be in the same VXLAN as server 3. Well, the problem is they're separated by a multi-layer spine switch, but what we can do is have a VTEP, a VXLAN tunnel endpoint defined on switch 1 and switch 3, and we can form a tunnel between them called a VTEP tunnel. And with this tunnel in place, it can appear that server 1 and server 3 are members of the same VXLAN. And if you'd like to learn more about VXLANs, I go into a lot more depth in my Encore course. And if you want to take a look at that course or any of my other courses I have available, just check out the link tree in my bio. But that's today's CCNP term of the day, a VXLAN, a virtual extensible LAN.